Imadoda, between me and hey, Image. Ladies and gentlemen, there is going to be a structure on this podcast, but for now, it's still between me and you. Hey, this is it. We're fast approaching. Yes, man. we we are fast approaching the local government elections. So the ANC is positioning itself well, is currently preparing the list for mayorship, PR candidates of the ANC. Abantu abazawube bevotelwa xa abantu bevoted ANC, and doesn't know any sense now. Just a sec, let me check. Right. Okay. Hi. Igama nami ndingubutlu ndingunolali where kunqayi everybody's been asking me ubana izawuthi thini le nto yalapha. Senze uba abantu bafuna uyazi. Izawuthi thini le nto yobumeya uprincess. Is she coming? Is she not? Look, as much noba ndingamthanda ndithini, there is no running away from the conversation of Princess Faku retaining, is that the right English, her seat as the executive mayor of the Buffalo City Metro. That is very much what is currently in everybody's mind and mouths. Buyaqaphela kapha e-Eastern Cape ngabantu abahleba kakhulu. Siyahleba. Look, there's 4 candidates that have been interviewed for this particular position of being the mayor of the Buffalo City Metro in the Eastern Cape, which covers East London, Kukombo, and King Williamstown, eQonce. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't want to thumbsuck because andiyazi, they're still negotiating who is going to. There needs to be opaka izipostbek ezirhubuluziswayo, favors done, blackmail and all those things to get what the leadership, because this is a very sensitive position, deployment le ikameya of the Buffalo City. It's one of the most powerful metros. Now, i-dynamics is zinensi. PEC, Provincial Executive Council or Committee of the Eastern Cape, has been let me Google it once and for all, so that ndiyazi, is it committee, is it what is the PSC, what is ANC PEC? I want to say, is it Provincial Executive Committee? It's not council, it's Provincial Executive Committee. Now, with the recent dynamics of the Secretary General of the ANC changing, switching, changing his mind, and reinstating the Provincial Executive Committee of the Eastern Cape ANC, that changes a lot of things. It complicates a lot of people's lives which have gotten into positions ngendlela mnyama. Now, between me and you, I don't want to lie to you. It looks like really the dynamics are becoming confusing, as we all knew the Secretary General to be favoring a certain faction people, which is Uma Prince in this context. But now, with ezi dynamics, of course, yes, ebebaleka i-court, ubalekwa uba in contempt of court, abanjwa athi sa. Yes, he's running away from that, number one. However, ndive iruma mna, andizungayithethi ke madoda, that even kwayena laa nto ayifunayo yophatha country, it is under threat. It's no longer him and PM. Kwakule yakhe faction ebecinga uyasapotwa ngomnye lo ke ingathi akunjalongo ebelungiselela isiqu sakhe. Andizubiza amagama ke madoda, but there is a possibility that kwa lo akazuyifumana le nto ka-number 1 we-country, because lo ebelungiselela isiqu sakhe. Yeah, this is good gossip. This is good gossip because this is how we speak thina ekhaya phaa eyadini ba, mamakho umbonile oku kaloku kwamehlo, oku kwempundu, oku. Yeah, that's how we converse back at home. So I did welcome you to Let's Unpack. Igama lam ndingubutlu, ndingunolali wekunqayi. Ladies and gentlemen, things are going to come together on this podcast. Don't worry about that. We're going to grow and we're going to get to a point of professionalizing the space, getting guests. But now how about we be comfortable? Maske sizame man uba comfortable around one another. Let me figure myself, what am I doing exactly? Let me get comfortable in front of the camera. Let me can it allow me to get used to see my strength and grow with the space. Look, Rome was not built in one day. Now, the conversation or the matter for the day is obviously the Buffalo City Metropolitan Municipality, who is going to be the ANC mayoral candidate of the Buffalo seat. Yes, the battle lines have been drawn. We've seen 4 candidates. Simphiwe sorry, I have to go check my search history, because how do I find the search history? Because I recently Googled him, one of the candidates that were interviewed at the ANC. Is it Tsewa? Now I can't find him. I recently Googled Simphiwe Tsengwa. It's Tsengwa. It's Simphiwe. Vele wathi gqi. Abo famous. He's Simphiwe Tsengwa, the mayoral candidate of the Buffalo City Municipality. That is the number 1 currently, according to qualifications, points on the interview, experience and all those things. He's number 1. Then number 2, I'm told it is Mamuno Cawe Mafu, who is the member of parliament. Let's read a little bit about Unocawe Mafu, Ukbana. What has she done in parliament? I think I've seen her. Una 62. 1963, she's a politician, yes. Or ungu deputy minister ka-Gauteng of Arts and Culture. She's enjoying her salary there in parliament. I don't know that much, honestly, about her. Yeah, she's just been there in parliament, changing seats. I honestly know nothing about her. Now, let's Google who is the... Okay, I apologize. That is the second mayoral candidate of the Buffalo City Metro. Then we have the third candidate, which is Ncedo Kumbaca. I'm going to have to go Google him. Ncedo Kumbaca. I don't even know how he looks like, but I hear that he's been at infrastructure of the Buffalo City. So, ukhokele phaa Buffalo City. Oh, Ncedo Kumbaca is a South African politician and government communicator from the Eastern Cape, known for his work within the Buffalo City Municipality and regional ANC structures. The background, of course, it's in local government. He served as a councillor in engineering or mayoral's committee. Phaa Buffalo City, waba communications. No, bengu Samkelo Ngwenya before Samkelo Ngwenya, I don't know. Now, He is active in regional ANC politics of the Eastern Cape, and he's the former. He was in the former youth league of the ANC structures. Now, okay, ke usevile kwinto ka-mayoral candidate, kwi-mayoral committee rather. He has served intwenini wakhe wathetha wangu-communications director kule nto yale nto yapha eBuffalo kwa-Department of Transport before ubhinqose. Okay, before ubhinqose he's spoken transport according to Google. Now, is this how he looks like? I've never seen him. I'm not, this is a very sensitive time. Ndingazileqisa ngalamasela uba ndingathetha amabibi wakhe ubhuti. Akho nto ndiyivileyo so far. Ifana noSimphiwe Tsengwa. No, akho nto ndiyivileyo in particular. Into yokubana umoshe njani kwezi ndawo ebekuzo, because that's one of the questions that we need to ask and scrutinize before we endorse publicly that we would like to have that person as a mayor. Akho nto ithethiweyo ngoKhumbaca eshade noko, akho scandals ngako. Then noTsengwa akho nto ndiyivileyo. uSicaca uNocawe Sicagogo Mafu, the member of parliament, andizuthetha scandals abantu, akho nto ndiyaziyo madoda. I don't even wanna lie. Then we go to my favorite, the one okholisiweyo ndim, Princess Faku. We all know her. She's currently the executive mayor of the Buffalo City. She wants to come back. What are Princess Faku's credentials? Unabani emva kwendlebe? Of course, there is a LLB somewhere in the picture. Yaseforte. I don't want to open that conversation, but uPrincess unayo i-LLB. Nomzi watsha sentsho uMalusi uShepherd unaye, that we have seen as uyaqonda. Then no, all I'm not sure about umama uNoncedo. Khame ke ndibuze uNoncedo Mafu lo, Nocawe Mafu uba unantoni emva kwendlebe yena. Nocawe Mafu education. Hey, ayimdakaba. Hayi akuchazwa nix. Akho kwa matric. Kodwa benguminister. Hayi akho kwanto ichazayo ngesikolo. Hayi akho kwanto ichazwayo kumNocawe Mafu apha kuGoogle ngesikolo kula parliament website. Kuthiwa nje benguminister of deputy minister of arts and culture, bengu-chairperson of portfolio kwa-human settlements. She was the member of parliament. There is absolutely nothing about education ebhaliweyo apha endiyibonayo kumama uNocawe Mafu. No. I'm not seeing anything that has to do with education publicly. Khame ke ndijonge phofu uba uNcedo Khumbaya yena Ncedo Khumbayica education. I think I need to be fair and Google all of them, because I had previously spoken about Mr. Simphiwe that's her name. Yes, it's not yes. Ndizichazile ndizidwelisile ezakhe qualifications, so it's fair that I also look into uNcedo Khumbaca. He is, or he's got public he's a public kuthiwa he's a public communication official. Okay, but kaloku where is his education? Sanjobe ndifuna ubuza mna education apha kuGoogle. There's nothing also about education kuye. Kutheni le nto zingekho public education zabafo? Sentsho there's nothing about education nalapha kukhumbaca, it cannot be that akanayo ne-degree emva kwendlebe. I don't think this Google is correct. Maybe it's not updated. It doesn't mean that they're not educated. Now we go to, of course, uZengwa. It's Simphiwe Zengwa. We look into his education. Nansi yakhe education ivele yathi qi. Une Bachelor of Arts in Political Science and Sociology, e-honors from the University of the Western Cape. Une postgraduate, e-masters in Public Administration from Florida Atlantic University, USA. He's got an MBA in Management and Finance from Rhodes. He's currently registered for PhD in EVETS, right? Then being a CEO here, a managing director there, I've already shared those credentials of his. Obviously, from the four that I've listed to you, I got a need. We can see that this Simphiwe Zengwa, Mr. Simphiwe Zengwa, is definitely an ideal candidate. Hence, I'm being told by Ebedi that he is listed as the first preference by the committee that has interviewed those four mayoral candidates of the Buffalo City municipality in the Eastern Cape. Now, we don't know what is to happen tomorrow. Asiyazi into yokuba ngubani uzawupronouncwa as the mayoral candidate ngomso. Kodwa ke the word is, he is the one that qualifies. He is the one that is most experienced. However, is he politically aligned? We don't know. Does he have enough money to buy that position? I don't think he would do that. Yemadoda, asazi ubizawuzala ngomani, kodwa ke siyathemba into yokokubana intando kaThixo iza kwenzeka. Whoever is put there needs to be credible and needs to earn trust of the ratepayers and the citizens of the Buffalo City in East London and King Williamstown. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at the eve of the mayoral candidate list announcement, which is to be held tomorrow at Sandton Convention Center. Sizawuva ke into yokubana ngubani uzawube elawula these metros of the South African municipalities. Until then, igama lam ke ayisuka niyalazi ndingunolali wekunqayi. Thank you for the comments, man. Like, I really do appreciate. I'm gonna improve. We're gonna get there. We understand as this platform. Okwangoku manibuleleni bamazos